Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to class 8. So students, today the questions that you are going to solve in your copy is this one. Number 1, all of you attempt question number 13 of exercise 5.1. Question number 13 of exercise 5.1. Now I'm going to show you which is this one. Question number 13 of exercise 5.1. This is exercise 5.1 on page number 99. Okay, and you have to attempt this question, that is factorize. Question number 13 is a square b square. Attempt this question of exercise number 5.1. Question number 13 of exercise number 5.5. 5.1. Kindly start your work. Yes, everyone. Abdul Rahman, where is the camera, BT? Okay, so this is question number what? Question number 13 of exercise 5.1. And what you have to do, you have to factorize it. The question is a square b square minus 6ab plus 9 plus 9. Ameda, it is plus 9. Okay, now here you will take the square of the given number. So it will be ab whole square minus 2ab, okay, 3, right. Very good. Okay, that's good. Very good. Ismaida, do not start next question. Do not start next question unless I told you to start it. Okay, who is this? Rumesa? Okay, very good. Why you take 3? Why you take 3? A, B, na? So what is term A? Term A is AB. So you will write first AB. No? Huh. Term 2AB. This is basically 2AB, na? So you will write here from A first. So this will be AB. And this will be 3. Next term will be 3. Okay. This is Abdul Rahman. I'm checking your work. Okay. Uh-huh. Very good. ईशल ईशल स्टॉप बेटा जब मैं कहूँ तब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट कीजिए मुझे फर्स्ट शो कीजिए शो मी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दिस इज a square b square minus 6ab plus 9 okay now students please look at here please look at here what you have to do first what you will do you will take the square of the given question here you have a square b square so this is a square of ab whole square minus here you have to write make it 2ab so this is 2 okay and term a is basically ab and this will be your term b which is 9 so 9 is the square of 3 okay so you will write here your term b which is 3 plus 3 whole square okay 9 is the square of 3 so you will take 3 whole square now here you have minus so you will apply the minus formula which is a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square right now you have this form and you have to enclose it into this formula which is a minus b now term a here is ab okay term a here is ab this is not a plus b or a minus b basically this is ab then formula ka minus sign and then term b is 3 so you will write ab minus 3 whole square so this is your final answer now please tell me is it clear Rumesa is it clear bete what are you doing Rumesa checking your work Rumesa your work is not clear okay now start next question now start next question next what you have to do attempt question number 14 of exercise 5.1 question number 14 of exercise 5.1 this is question number 14 and you have to attempt it now Okay, this is your question, which is x square y square z square minus 4xyz plus 4. Again, you will take the square. Now this will be 2a. Now what is your term a? xyz. Term b will be 2. This is plus 2 whole square. Now you will apply the formula of minus here, which is a minus b whole square is equals to. Okay, Abdul Rahman, I'm checking your work. Answer will be xyz minus 2. Okay, Abdul Rahman, where is your video? Very good, Meda. Please do not start next question. Okay, that's nice. Very good. Ishal, I'm checking your work. Uh, 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 why you are writing 4xyz? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Right. Good. Ramasa, I'm checking your work. Yes, do it. Yes, good. Write down the formula. Beta, this is 2. Look at here in the above step. This is 2. 4 is the square of 2. Now the term b will be 2. Here in the next, yeah, middle step. Yes, this is 2. Hmm. Yes, now include it in the formula. No, 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 no. Okay, do it, do it, continue. I'm going to check it. What are you doing? Okay, that's good. That is good. Now start next question. Now everyone, what is your next question? Question number 28 of exercise 5.1. Question number 28 is on next page. This is your question number 28 and you have to attempt it now. R6 minus 10 R cube plus 16. R6 minus 10 R cube plus 16. Question number 28. Yes. Okay, madam, beta, how you have taken this one? रफ वर्किंग कॉलम का वर्क कहाँ है भाई? वर्किंग कॉलम में मुझे बताइए तो सही कि क्या किया है आपने. Show the working column steps. Hmm? Mariam, where is the camera? Who is this Mohammed Zain? Mohammed Zain, beti, are you the student of class 6? Mohammed Zain. Who is Mohammed Zain here? Okay, fine. Okay. Okay. Right. It is minus 2 or plus 2? R cube minus 2 है ये. Last. Okay, fine. ठीक है. Right. Okay. Right. Good. वेरी गुड. ओके, किस किस को ये क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ आया, प्लीज राइट इट डाउन इन द चैट बॉक्स. शुड आई एक्सप्लेन इट? Everyone please reply. Should I explain it? Okay, Hamza. What about other student? What about Fauzia? Fauzia, Hafsa, Mahnoor, Mariam, Zain, Sania. Please reply. Hmm? Students, why you are not replying? जी मिस. जी बोलिए रुमैसा. Okay, Rumesa. Rumesa is asking for explanation. What about other students? Okay, Mahnoor. Okay, beta, I'm going to explain it. Just a minute. Okay, this is a question from exercise number 5.1. Question number 28 is R6 minus 10 R cube plus 16. Okay, and I'm going to explain this question to those students who didn't understand it. First, what you will do, we will start the question with the heading solution, and the question is r6 minus 10 r cube plus 16. Now question is find the factors of, question is you have to find out the factors of. Factors में आपने क्या करना है, first you will check that can you apply the formula here, but as you can see we cannot apply any formula here. So obviously 6 is not the, 6 is the cube. Okay, and there we have no cubic formula that is written in this form. So in this way, how we will find the factors, we will break the middle term. Okay, what we will do, we will break our middle term. Now what is our middle term? Our middle term here is basically minus 10 r cube. This is our middle term, right? This is our middle term, and we have, this is basically minus, sorry मैं इसको दोबारा लिख देती हूँ यहाँ पे. This is minus 10 r cube. This is our middle term. Okay, and you have to break this middle term into two factors. How many factors? The factors should be 2. ओके, अब आपने करना क्या है, इन टू फैक्टर्स को ये डिसाइड करना है कि वो कौन से दो फैक्टर्स हैं जिन्हें आप ऐड करेंगे, सो दैट आंसर विल बी माइनस 10 आर क्यूब. ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट. ओके, ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट, right? The answer should be minus 10 r cube. So how you will find out those middle those two factors? For this, what you will do, you will multiply your first term with the third term. Okay, you will multiply this first term with the third term. So here the coefficient is 1, so 16 multiplied by 1 is 16 and r 6. So the answer of this will be equals to plus 16 or 6. How you will get this one? By multiplying your first term with the second term. So what do you have to do? You have to identify what are those two numbers that you will multiply, so the answer should be 16. Okay, and the same numbers you will add them together so that the answer should be minus 10. Okay, so first we are going to decide what are those two numbers that your answer that will be equals to 16. Multiply. So how we will get 16? We can get 16 by 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, or 4 multiplied by 4 is 16 also. Okay, so if you are going to take these two number, 4 multiplied by, if you are going to write here 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So when you will add it, means when you will add it 4 plus 4, so answer not is equals to 8, so that you will not get 10. If you will subtract it, if you write minus 4, so answer will be what? Minus 8. So again you are not getting here 10. But if you will take this one, which is 8 multiplied by 2, so 8 multiplied by 2 if you are taking, so 8 plus 2 is equals to what? 10. 10 तो आ गया आपके पास, but you required minus. Okay, what you required? Minus. So if you are taking minus 8 plus 2, So what it will be? Minus plus minus. So answer will be minus 6. And required number is minus 10. So what you will do? You will take both the numbers. This is minus 8, minus 2. So what you will get? Minus minus plus. So 8 plus 2 will be 10. Obviously 8 is greater. So you will put the sign of minus here. So basically, this is the right middle term. Okay, this is the right middle term. Okay, if you are going to multiply this 8, okay, you are going to multiply this 8 by 2. So what will be your answer? 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Okay, but here you are taking minus minus, so you will take minus 8 minus 2. Okay, minus minus will be plus. So plus ho gaya. Okay, here you have required r cube. Okay, okay, forget about this one. Now look at here, minus 10 है. So we are taking minus 8 and minus 2. We are taking minus 8 and minus 2, and r cube we have required. So we will write minus 8r cube minus 2r cube. So minus minus will be plus, 8 plus 2 will be 10. 8 is greater, minus 8 आ गया. R cube आपका ऐसे copy down हो जाएगा because they are like term. Similarly, if you are taking minus 8r cube, so यहाँ पर भी we will take minus 8r cube. Same numbers लेने, minus 2r cube. Up when you are multiplying the bases, when you are multiplying the exponent, so how you will multiply it? If the bases are same, here the base is same, which is r, so you will take the same base. If the bases are same and they are multiplying, so powers will be added. So 3 plus 3 will be r6, so it will be r6. Okay, this will be r6, right? So now you have get the middle term, which is this one. Now you are going to break this one into what? You will write here r6. Okay, minus 10 है, तो minus 10 r को हम break करें in two terms में. So it will be minus 8 r cube minus 2 r cube plus 16. First and second, third term will remain same. Now in the next step, what you will do? You will take the common. Okay, what you will do? You will take the common here. Now in this two term, what is common? This one. R is common, and which power of r is least? This one. So you will take r cube as a common bracket. Now r cube is outside, so how many r will be left here? You will simply write r cube. So 3 multiplied by 3 plus 3 will be 6, right? Minus r cube is outside. R cube is outside. So what you will write here? R cube minus 8 only. Clear? हाँ तो clear है आप सबको? Okay, then bracket close. Now here you have minus, so you will write here minus. Now what is common in these two terms? What is common? 2 and 16. So what is common here? 2 8s are 16, so you will take 2 as a common here. Okay, now 2 have taken as a common, so what will be left here? R Q. But if you can see, this is minus sign. Outside the bracket you have minus sign, huh? So minus plus will be minus. Minus plus will be minus, and 2 को किससे multiply करें? 2 multiplied by 8 will be 16. Right? So after taking common, there should be same numbers inside the brackets. Okay, ये जो आप common लेने के बाद जो आपके numbers बचेंगे, they should be same. If here you have minus sign and here you have plus sign, so this is completely wrong. Means app should be exact the copy or the same brackets, right? Now here I'm going to take the another common. Now what is common here? Here this common is this one, which is r cube minus 8, and this is left, which is what? R cube minus 2, this one minus 2, right? Now as you can see here, this is minus, this is minus. Here you can take the cube of this one. Okay, how you can take the cube? You can write it down in this form: r whole cube minus 8 is the cube of 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So this is the cube. You will write it down in this form, curly bracket. Now here we cannot take the cube. R का तो cube ले सकते, लेकिन 2 का तो cube है ही नहीं. So it will be minus 2, simple as it is. Okay, we are not going to take the cube of 2 here because हमें 2 का कोई cube ही नहीं है. 2 का क्यूब क्या होगा 8 होगा, बट अगर आप इसको वापस से इसकी क्यूबिक ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में लेकर आएंगे तो इट विल रिमेन 2, राइट. नाउ हियर यू कैन अप्लाई अ फॉर्मूला. नाउ विच फॉर्मूला वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई हियर? We are going to apply a formula which is a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, we are going to enclose, we are going to expand this thing into this formula. This is our term a. Okay, this is our term a, this is term b. Term a here and term b, and now we are going to enclose, expand it. Now how I'm going to expand it? A minus b, first I'm going to write a minus b inside the bracket. Term a here is r, I'm going to write r minus b. Term b here is 2, so r minus 2. Now we have to take the square of term A. Term A is this one R, and here you have a square, so you will put the square here. Then plus AB. Now what is A? Term A is R. What's wrong with you, BT? Okay. Okay, fine. Term A is this one R, and term B is 2. So simply you will write here 2R. Okay. And then plus B, term B here is 2. So I'm going to take the square of 2. Now what will be the square of 2? We have to take the square of 2. So we will write here not 2, we will write here 4. The square of 2 will be 4, bracket close. And then what is left here? This is, which is r cube minus 2. That's it. This is our answer. Right? Now please tell me, is it clear? Okay, this question is very important, students. This is an important question. Please tell me, is it clear? Okay, that's good. Now move on to the next one. Now next question is that you have to attempt question number 1, bit number 1 of exercise 5.2. Okay, bit number 1, question number 1, exercise 5.2. Now you can attempt it. This is simple and easy one. Now this is your exercise 5.2 and attempt this question. You have to attempt this one. Attempt this question. Everyone please start. Turn on your camera so that I can check your work. Camera on कीजिए. Maida, Ishal, Abdul Rahman. Maida, if you have done it, so this is not good because I didn't ask you to solve it. Vita, turn on the camera. Okay, now start it. First, you are gonna arrange it. Hmm. Yeah. Maida. क्या कर रहे हैं जरा मुझे दिखाइए स्टेप 1 मुझे नजर ही नहीं आ रहा. नहीं ये अरेंज गलत किया है आपने. ये इट विल बी ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2 ए प्लस 1 आएगा, फिर माइनस बी स्क्वायर आएगा. पहले प्लस 1 आएगा फिर माइनस बी आएगा. Now you will apply the formula over here. So a square है तो a का होल स्क्वायर, टर्म a क्या हो जाएगी a ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे ए, बेटा उसको ब्रैकेट में लिखिए, ए होल स्क्वायर, पुट इट इन ब्रैकेट, ए स्क्वायर, अरे बाबा, यहाँ yes Zed, where are you? Students, what are you doing? Meda, why you are not replying? Where are you, Meda? Rumesa, Zimel, Sania,